Hi and welcome. This is Daniela for Hipkit Club, and I'm still working with the April kits, and I picked both Jan Hatfield papers for this layout, and I combined it with one of the Sweet Story papers from Maggie Holmes, and yeah, as you can see, I did some fuzzy cutting. I cut out all the flowers from the Jan Hatfield paper, and now I show you how I create my layout with using these papers and only some embellishments. So I start my page by arranging three paper stripes um, on each side of the cardstock. So I have the Jan Hatfield paper first, and then the Sweet Story paper stripes. You see, I used them. I used both sides of them, and yeah, I just placed them here to have a little paper cluster. And I do the same above the picture. So here again the Jan Hatfield stripe, and then I'm working with the stripes from the Sweet Story paper again. So the picture here is a bit older. It's from 2015, and yeah, I really like to work with pictures when my kids have been toddlers or very small, and yeah, I always yeah, have a smile on my face when I look at these pictures. Okay, so now I want to have some layers behind my picture, and I'm using the same papers again, so they occur all over the page. And again, I use these three patterns, and of course I also need some black and white accents, and yeah, I placed them here on both sides. And then this is the basic conception of my layout, and now I can start to do my embellishing. And first of all, I adhere my picture, and then I see where I can put all the beautiful flowers. So I feel that this sticker from the sticker sheet, the Cartabella sticker sheet, is quite a good idea here, because it's also black and white, and we have the black and white pattern in the paper stripe. So I put this sticker here, and now I start placing some flowers here and there, and you see that I layer them. I have two fuzzy cut pieces here combined so that we have different layers. And I also want to use this beautiful butterfly from the die cut pack, and now I see where else I can place some of the fuzzy cut pieces. I will have flowers here on both paper clusters as well. And yeah, I like the color combination here. We have pink tones and in different shades, and also some light blue, and the black and white contrasts. Yeah, I guess that this is a nice combination. All right, so you see that the main elements come together quite quickly, and now I only need some smaller details here and there, and yeah, I adhere my flower clusters, and then I can take a look at all my embellishments to see what else I can add. Maybe I want to add some black and white accents here again, but yeah, I guess yeah, I don't need them, because we have lots of details or dimension because of the flowers, so I won't put another layer here behind my picture, but I add some more color splashes in pink. And yeah, now it's time to create a title. So the happy sticker from Carta Bella is nice here, and I also want to use this banner, Sunshine and Smiles. Yeah, I guess here is a nice place, and then I can add my title around the picture. Yeah, I always flip through my embellishments to see what else I can use, and I'm going for all the chipboard stickers in this mint. Is it mint? I guess so. This mint color, and the heart is quite nice, but I have to put it somewhere else. And now I want to create my title. So I love these alpha stickers. The color is just great, and the title is gonna be Your World. And now I see that my L's are missing. I used all of them, so I have to see how I can create a new one. So I'm just working with a T and make it, yeah, I guess that this is makes a good L. So we have a self-made L here, cut apart from a T, and yeah, I guess that this is a good way. Okay, so now I want to cut the word your from one of the sweet story papers. It says make your, or you are magic, and you can make your out of it. So I just fussy cut the letters and placed them here on top of my picture. I like titles that have different alphabet stickers or fussy cut elements, different scripts, and yeah, this is something that always adds some more details, and also you can have tiny letters in combination with bigger ones. Yeah. Okay, so my title is done, and now I want to use the happy sticker, but I just decided to go for the chipboard one. So happy, and we also have black and white here again. And now I see if I want to add some more of these cute bows, but I guess one is enough. So it's time to use some enamel dots, and yeah, I only use one color here. I don't want it to be too wild, so just one color, and yeah, this is kind of nice, I guess. We have them here next to the picture, and then on both paper clusters. And yeah, now I just see what else I can add. And of course I also have to add some journaling. I guess this is my 6th or 7th layout I create with the April kits, and you see that I still have got plenty of material and embellishments, and that's what I love about Hipkit Club. You have so much use in it, and the kits are just stuffed with embellishments and all the beautiful things that we need. Yeah. Okay, so I take another look at this sheet, but there is nothing else I want to use here, and I guess now it's time to do my journaling, and I just do a handwritten journaling here in black ink, and handwritten journalings always give the layout a personal touch, and yeah, this is what I do most of the time. So most of my layouts have handwritten journaling. Sometimes I also use the typewriter or print something. Yeah, okay. So this is almost the finishing touch. Now I just need to add the date stamp, and then this is my page. Yeah, I kind of like it. I just add some more color splashes, and then that's it. So I hope yeah, you feel inspired. Maybe you want to do some fuzzy cutting yourself. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and I hope to see you soon. Have fun using your kits, and take care. Bye bye.